Welcome back to the third lesson of Learn Zapier in 14 days. Today, I'm going to teach you how to divert questions away from your IT support team by using a simple custom FAQ AI chatbot all on Zapier. This template helps create a chatbot that answers frequently asked questions, enhancing support management, and saving your team time. So, let's dive in. From the Zapier dashboard, scroll down to the Template section in order to access the full library. As you can see, the Zapier template library is organized by use case, apps, and Zapier products. Keep in mind that new templates are constantly being added to the library, so you'll never run out of automation ideas. Once we find our template, we'll click the Try This Template button to start the setup process. And now, our chatbot template is being built out for us. Now that we're in the chatbot's editor, we'll start on the left side of the screen and create the directive for our FAQ bot. The directive or prompt is a set of directions that we're going to give our bot in order to interact the way we want with our team. Luckily, we have the directive wizard to help us create that directive. This chatbot is designed to assist employees with support and general inquiries. It adopts a multifaceted tone and will redirect users to our IT support team for problems beyond its scope. The last section will include any additional context we want our chatbot to have when interacting with employees. Since we use the directive wizard to do the heavy lifting, our directive now reflects the changes we have made. The next step in customizing our chatbot is to add a knowledge source so it knows where to pull the vital FAQ information from. Here you can add website links, upload PDFs and other static files, and connect to an existing table. Since we want our chatbot to answer company FAQs, we'll include the most common questions amongst employees and include them in our knowledge source. A great way to organize all your knowledge sources into one source of truth is adding them all in a table. Once our knowledge source has been added, we can test our chatbot to see the answers it provides and how it interacts with our users. And if we're not happy with the results, simply edit the directive and knowledge source from here. Once we're satisfied with our chatbot performance, we can view it live, share it out to our team, and embed it on our website. And that's it! Our FAQ chatbot is now live and ready to assist employees. Next up, we're going to streamline incident alerts to your team using the power of Zaps, tables, and interfaces. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.